Hi, it's Maria here from Charles Marlow, and today we're at Satalaya, which is a beautifully restored 14th century castle just outside of Valldemossa. You can reach the village within about 10 minutes by foot along a really scenic footpath, and you can also be in Palma within about 10 minutes by car. The owners spent 3 years restoring Satalaya, and you can see that so much care, love and attention has gone into every single detail of this house. I hope you enjoy as much as we do. If you've got any questions after watching the video, please just get in touch, we'd be delighted to help.